So I've been playing with my Echo Dot here a lot lately, and I just came across a problem that I've actually never had before. So I wanted to do a quick video on how to fix it. So if your Echo device is blinking this purple color, it usually means one of two things. The first thing is it's having issues connecting to the Wi-Fi. The second thing is it's on Do Not Disturb mode. So we'll take a look at both of those now. Now, purple, usually the issue is going to be it's a Wi-Fi thing. So this one is not connected to the Wi-Fi right now. So I'm just going to open the Alexa app. And what should happen here is we should get a pop-up modal that asks us if we want to connect this device. There it is. Echo Dot is ready for setup. So if you don't get this, we can just go over to this plus sign, hit the device, choose Amazon Echo Dot. There we go. And is it plugged in with the light? So this is purple. So what we need to do is hit this action button for 10-15 seconds just to put it into setup mode. So I'm going to press and hold this. Let's see if there it goes.
Now in setup mode.
Perfect.
Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
All right. So now this is a yes. Okay, perfect. So this, I know from playing with it so many times, this is the Echo Dot 507. So I'm going to hold that. And now we're just going to add it to our Wi-Fi. You do want to make sure that your passwords are correct and that the device itself is, relatively close to the router because that could be causing those Wi-Fi issues. So here we go. Home network. That's me. And we are now back online.
Your Echo is ready.
Cool. So if the Wi-Fi wasn't the issue, we're just going to want to check for the Do Not Disturb mode. And that's pretty simple. All we need to do is find our device. So this is the one we just reset up. Open up the settings here and scroll down into general and we'll find Do Not Disturb. So when you turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, you'll see it turns purple. And that's the other way that you could have a purple ring light. So that's all we have today, guys. I hope this was helpful. If it was, if you could drop a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next time.